Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing great and having fun. I am Tripti and we are here for our morning maths classes. So let's get started, dear children. In the last few classes, we covered up addition and subtraction. Let's move on to the different topic today, that is multiplication. Children, before we start our session, let me tell you that your classes, the morning classes happens like from Monday to Saturday at 10 a.m. I would request you to kindly join the classes every day. And as we are live on YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get quick updates. We can interact via the chat box. You can give your answers there. You can message me there so that I can take up your query and interact with you. So here we go. How many kids do we see in this picture? Yeah, total 4 kids. How many shoes do you see? So over here, each kid has 2 shoes. 4 times 2 because each kid means 1. One of them is wearing what? One of them is wearing 2 shoes. And there are 4 children. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8. There are 8 shoes in all. So which mathematical operation did we use? What was it? Yes, it was multiplication. To do multiplication, we need to know multiplication tables. So let's write multiplication tables. Consider the table of 3. We'll start writing the number in this order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, let's write the table of 3 using these numbers. Now, how can we do that? So I hope you are able to see the highlighted ones. What is that highlighted thing? What's that highlighted thing? Okay, let me share it again. So if you see the highlighted things, you will notice that, that is the timetable of 3. Okay, let's quickly check it out. Here, if you notice the highlighted numbers, these are the numbers, these are the multiples of 3, the numbers that come in the table of 3. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 8 is 24, 3 times 9 is 27, and 3 times 10 is 30. So children, this is like multiplication tables. You can say these are just the skip counting things. That's it. Just the skip counting things. Okay? You are skipping here by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now, we will consider the table of 4. Again, please say it with me, dear children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, then 37, 38, 39, and 40. These numbers, the highlighted numbers, these are all the multiples of 4. That means all these come in the table of 4. Now how? Let's have a look. 4 times 1 is 4. Times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. And 4 times 10 is 40. Okay? So, that's how you get the table of 4. Again, it's a skip counting by 4. Now we will see the table of 7. Children, before I do this, I'm giving you 2 minutes to write down the table of 7. Okay? I'm giving you 2 minutes to write down the table of 7 by yourself. The time starts now. Please, if you don't have your notebook right now, please go and get it. Go and get your notebook and start writing the table of 7. Come on. The way I taught you, Or you can do skip count by 7 as well. 2 minutes for this. I hope it's almost done by now. Few more seconds. Okay, all right. So let's have a look at the table of 7 over here. First, writing the numbers. I'm done. Okay, now see the highlighted ones. So if I see the highlighted ones, here the numbers that are highlighted or the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70. These are the highlighted ones. That means these numbers are the multiples of 7. So 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 7 times 9 is 63. And 7 times 10 is 70. Okay. Now let's work out on some numericals involving multiplication, means the word problems. Okay, how many candles are there? So, I hope by now you got the answer. You must like sum of, if you have counted like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Your answer is correct. But the way of doing is correct, but quite lengthy. Why to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? If you can see that there are 4 groups of 5 candles in each group. Or you can put 5 candles in 4 groups. You can straight away get the answer as 20. Why do you need to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? No, no need. Even though the answers will be correct. But you have to do smart work here. Okay? 5 times 4 is 20. 5 candles in 4 groups. So there are 20 candles. How many flutes are there? Now nobody is going to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, not like that. Okay, so here it's like 3 candles are there in 5 groups, or 5 groups of 3 candles, which will give you 15. Sorry, flutes actually. It's not candle, it's flute. So 3 times 5 is 15, or 5 times 3 is 15. That is, there are 15 flutes. Okay, 15 is the answer here. Now, what if I give you like this next question? Listen to this question very carefully, understand it. There are 26 apples. There are 8 apples in a box. There are 3 boxes. How many apples are there in all? 8 apples are there in one box. In a box means one box. Okay. There are 3 boxes. 8 apples in one box and 3 boxes are there in total. How many apples are there in all? Very easy. So let's see. I hope you got your answer. Over here, in one box, there are 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the other 8, 8. And there are 3 boxes. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 boxes having 8 apples or 8 apples in 3 boxes. What is the answer? 24. 8 times 3 is 24. Or you can also do 3 times 8. Both of them will give you the same answer. You know what? In multiplication, this is the commutative property of multiplication, which says if you multiply, so there are 24 apples, if you multiply the numbers in any order, if you multiply the numbers in any order, you know what you will get? Let's say it's 2 times 3. What is 2 times 3? 6. 2 is at the first place, 3 is at the second one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to interchange their places. 3 times 2. What will be the answer? 6 again. So if you multiply the numbers in any order, 2 times 3, 3 times 2, or if you interchange their places, you will get the same answer. And the answer of multiplication is known as product. Product. Okay, one thing I want to tell you here, it's not only about 2 digits. It's not only about 2 digits. It's, if it's like 2 times 3 times 4, 3 times 2 times 4, 4 times 4 times 2 times 3. Okay, I have changed the places of the numbers. Like 2 is at the first place, second place, and wait, let me put 2 at the third place as well. Okay. Yeah. 3 is at the first place, second place, and it should be third or maybe anywhere. Okay, if I have changed the place like this or anywhere you say, what will happen? Let's check out the answers. 2 times 3. What is 2 times 3? That is 6. 6 times 4, 24. 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 4, 24. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2, 24. Or even if you want to see like 3 times 4 times 2. 3 times 4, 12. 12 times 2, 24. Is there any other way in which you can arrange these numbers? So, doesn't matter where is the position of the numbers. If you change the order of the numbers, the answer, the product one won't change. The answer of multiplication is called as the product. So you may always, like, you may not get the question like multiply the numbers. No, the question may ask you, what is the product of so and so? And it's not always horizontal multiplication. It could be like this also. 3 times 2, 6. Or 4 times 7, 28. Like this. Okay. So this is vertical multiplication. So children, this is not only about multiplication. There is much more. Also, let me tell you, multiplication is repeated addition. You keep on adding the numbers repeatedly. Like it's 2 times 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 2 times 3, okay, means 3 plus 3. 2 times you are adding 3. 3 plus 3, which is 6. So 2 times 3 is also 6. So multiplication is called as repeated addition as well. Yeah, as I said, this is not only the thing about multiplication. There is much more, which we are going to explore in the upcoming classes. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and I'll see you in the next class, that is tomorrow. Make sure you join the class to know more about multiplication. I hope you understood everything that we did today. I'll see you in the next class. By that time, just keep practicing and practicing. Okay, because practice will make you perfect. So yeah, children, thank you so much for joining. Bye-bye. Have a lovely day ahead. See you.